My dream is to graduate from St. Catherine University, which I will attend in the fall, and change the lives of young people with the gift of performing arts. So,
Where you going to school at?
St. Catherine University.
Thank you very much. That's my student. That's my student.
Little did I know that when I came here, my all-time favorite artist, spoken word artist, is here, Chilli. And you can see it's a bit awkward standing up here and rapping a song, a rap that's from one of your favorite artists. I mean, he's watching me as I rap his words. The words that about our Hmong people. This piece that I'm going to perform is by my teacher, Chilli, and his group Delicious Venom, called 30-Year Secret. So. Persecuted and scorned behind enemy lines. A small child is born. What will he live for? Fighting for the rest of his life. Gunshots, chemical bombs, or sliced with a knife. Shrapnel with their flesh. Children poisoned to death to defend the villages. Soldiers killed to combat the contract that's been cracked. Split up in attack with no tracks. And they only fight back for survival reasons. And they wish to the sky for the will to keep breathing. The jungles are our prisons, scarred into our visions. No, I want you to listen, cause my people have risen, starving for any meal. They can't conceal their blood spills, so over the rice fields for real. A tragic massacre of tears and emotions that can flood the Mekong River to be an ocean. Our people are suffering and time is running out. I see my mother working late again, father holding paper tags. Drama on the corner we ignore, but we relate to them. Stay within the circle, representing every state we in. Penetrate the system, now the prison wants to take us in. Listen to my elder folks, cousin love to sell his smoke. Sisters in the kitchen cooking breakfast to the smell of smoke. Flea market weekend, sleeping 60 minutes to 2 hours. Been working overtime, ain't had no time to take a shower. Family business low, still on the go. Blow for blow, we slug it out against the winter and snow. Ever since existence, we have been survivors. Neglecting, never clean the country, just wanted to live and let live. Now it's been 30 years since imprisonment in the jungle for the Hmong. Remind your elders and educate the young. Laotian government genocide, human rights violation. Clock is running down to total annihilation. Lift a finger now, stop procrastinating. Save a child, save a mother. Throw your clocks and watch away. The time is now. Stop searching for time. Time is running out. Stop searching for time. The time is now. Don't let people die. Save our people. Save our people. Go listen to their cry. Voices of sorrow. Another dying relative, sleeping life away like a sedative. Death is interactive, don't it make you feel relative? Children feeling negative, repetitive. Survival's mode, spirits from the old. Neglected perspective grows and we let it. The mind stays infected, so memories repress it. Mother's fetuses die, hold your chin high, let the wind dry your eyes. Here we go, levitate, aggravate, penetrate, escalate. What you know, mental state, gotta grow. System teaching the fear, being bold. More people on the go, dying slow. So, do the math with me. Subtract morality and fatality. Divide broken pride equals American lie. Tears glow our vision, so we live. to the violence. She could be the silence or the sirens, dividing corner streets. Fight for the air we breathe, tears we see, families we grieve. This is disgusting, must it wipe a life or two? Fallen soldiers, yesterday's news. Fathers in the grave, nobody left to fill his shoes. Wake up to gunshots. Silence is just a dream. Wake up to gunshots. Silence is just a dream. Wake up to gunshots. Silence is just a dream. Wake up to gunshots. Silence is just a dream. Wake up to gunshots. Silence is just a dream. Don't let our people die.